don't leave for the NICU without these top 10 things for comfort, convenience, and health. Welcome to my channel, Nurse Danielle, where I use my 16 plus years of pediatric, NICU, and EMS expertise to help moms and families survive and thrive. Today, we are going to be talking about NICU must-haves. A NICU admission is scary, whether expected or not. Often, it is unexpected, throwing your family's most joyous occasion into instant chaos. Have your NICU bag packed and ready if you know your baby will be transitioning to NICU after birth. Otherwise, lean on your support team to help you gather your list for maximum comfort. And stick around till the end for your bonus item. I want you to take a breath and realize that your NICU team is doing everything they can for your baby. They are a highly skilled team of staff who has your baby's life as their top priority. What may seem distressing to you is probably normal procedure for the team. If they don't look scared, then you shouldn't be scared either. While they focus on your baby's health, you need to focus on yours. Have your support person or a trusted family member gather these items for you to help make your NICU stay a little easier. Remember, we don't just want to survive your NICU stay, we want to thrive. A little tip, check if your hospital has an Amazon Dropbox so that packages from your list or a family member's list can be delivered right to you. Now, after watching this video, please leave a comment below about the different rules at your local NICU, so a parent later on can see about the local NICU in their area. Please name the hospital and city it is in, because some NICUs don't allow phones or FaceTime. Some allow sleeping and some don't. Some have private rooms and some don't. You will learn to adapt to the environment that your baby is in. Get your pen and paper ready. The list starts now. Number 10, a comfortable pair of slip-on shoes. At first, your feet will be swollen, making it hard to fit in your regular shoes. And when it's time to do skin to skin with your baby, no one wants uncomfortable shoes on. Opt for slippers such as these or flip-flops such as these. Make sure to check out the description below for a link to my recommendations for all of these products. Number 9, extra long phone cord and wall charger. Having a NICU baby means hours of downtime. NICU babies usually follow either a 3, 4, or a 6-hour hands-on schedule that the nurse will follow. The more unstable the baby, the less the nurse tries to disturb your baby. So, while you will be allowed to participate in infant cares, such as taking a temperature and changing the diaper, chances are that your baby should have those hours in between to rest and fight for a healthy survival. With your extra long phone charger, you can watch videos like this and share photos of your precious baby. Number 8, meal replacement shakes. Many NICUs don't allow eating at your bedside for sanitation reasons, while they will allow drinks in non-spillable containers. So if you can't eat your calories and nutrition, you can drink them. Let me know in the comments below if you have a go-to meal replacement shake that you just love and can recommend to other moms, especially if it was good for milk production or like a holistic whole nutrition meal. Remember, we want to not only survive, but thrive. Number 7, the other spill-proof bottle that you are going to want is your water bottle. A water bottle that is easy enough to pick up and open with one hand is ideal when you are thinking of holding your baby or perhaps pumping milk at the bedside. Remember, you need to stay well hydrated and take in enough calories so your body can produce milk for your baby. Number 6, make sure to bring layers of clothing because you want to be comfortable when you're spending time with your baby. Many NICUs are either too hot or too cold. Try to wear a button-down or zip-up shirt so you can do skin-to-skin or kangaroo care with your baby. Don't worry about spending extra money, just borrow an oversized zip-up or button-down from a family member. Number 5, snacks. You will need and want snacks when you spend those long days with your baby. Take a quick break, stretch your legs, and go out and have a snack or pack a lunch to eat. Most NICUs don't allow food at the bedside, so be prepared to eat in the family room or maybe a Ronald McDonald room. Great snacks will be balanced nutrition and not just empty calories. Try carrots, cucumbers for hydration, cuties, apples, cheese sticks, yogurts, those tuna packets, raisins, and don't forget your dark chocolate. Oats such as malted milk and oatmeal are also great options for lactation. Number 4, be comfortable. Bring an extra blanket or pillow to make your time comfortable. Some NICUs don't allow sleeping at the bedside, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be comfortable. Number 3, a nursing pillow can be used for more than just breastfeeding. Your pillow can be used for your comfort and your baby's comfort during Kangaroo time, and even when you're just at the bedside. After watching countless moms learn how to breastfeed, especially with fragile, growing premature babies, I recommend the My Breast Friend pillow over the boppy. Not saying that I wouldn't get a boppy eventually for an older infant. I like the extra back support of the My Breast Friend for the younger baby. Number 2, scent hearts are a wonderful way for you and your baby to keep in scent contact when you're not together. Each time you visit, exchange your heart or whatever fabric you have with your baby. The benefit for mom is that when you're pumping, I want you to sniff the heart. This triggers your brain to say, I smell my baby, to help with your milk letdown. And the baby gets to smell your familiar smell and feel safe. I encourage fathers to also exchange hearts with the baby too. Check with your social worker or your bedside nurse, as the hospital may have hearts for you. Number 1, reading to your baby is very important. Your baby went up to 9 months of listening to your voice. Even through the isolette walls, your baby can hear your muffled voice. You may bring your favorite baby book, such as Goodnight Moon, or even the vampire romance novel you just can't put down. No judgment here. Whatever you do, just quietly read to your baby, especially during the periods of cluster cares, when you're holding, doing diaper, temperature. And while Aunt May is so excited to see your bundle on FaceTime, please remember to lower your voice on your phone, lower the volume, because the NICU is loud enough and needs help to keep it quiet for your baby to grow. I know this list is not all inclusive, so please leave a comment below to let the community know what products you can't live without. Now, I mentioned I would have a bonus for you. I actually have a few, so let me know if you want me to make a second follow-up of this video, but I'll finish with one bonus. All right, this bonus may seem cheesy, but the most important thing you need to bring to the NICU, just bring you. This is such a stressful time for your family. You don't need to pretend to be okay. Work through the grief and work towards each day and sometimes each minute of being a NICU parent. Just show up and be present. Your baby doesn't need oohs and ahs and lots of clothes. Your baby needs their parents' quiet, holistic love. In my experience, babies that are held skin to skin every day by their parents heal better and faster than those that don't. Humans truly need touch to survive and thrive. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found value, and it is my pleasure to bring you this content. Together we can not only survive, but thrive.